Ooh, that's pretty quick. I have just fed him as well. It's a pinhead cricket. So as you can see, I've actually moved him out of his container. Before he was in this small little container. But now he's getting a bit bigger. I thought I'd put him. He might be a little bit too big actually. But as you see in there, there is a hole. It's like a burrow. It's pretty, it's pretty deep. And then there's like a little enclosure thing in there you can go in. So yeah, it's a quick. I was going to say quick. I was going to drop the cricket in later on, but he seemed to have got that straight away. So that's my salmon thing, and it's this bigger little, box thing container. Cheers for watching, guys.